Okay, question 1. You've got your substitution where they tell you F, G and H. Non-calculated, of course. So take your time on this, make sure you get the marks, put in the numbers. So F is minus 3. Now because it's minus 3, I'm going to put it in a bracket, okay? And it tells us to square it. And then you've got minus then H, which is 5, all over then G, which is 2, okay? So we've got that there. Now, when you square this here, you've got to remember minus 3 squared, well, you square it and you times it by itself, so you times it minus 3 by itself. Minus 3 times minus 3 is going to be plus 9, okay? Minus times a minus is a positive, of course. Take away 5 then, all over 2. So take your time on this. And then 9 take away 5 is 4 over 2. And of course the answer then will become 2. Underneath then, 2h cubed. And remember, you're cubing now all of this in here. Okay, so keep the bracket in place. Now 2h, h is 5, don't forget. So that'll be 2 times 5, right? Remember 2h means 2 times h, so that'll be 2 times 5 and cubed. So work out the bracket first. In that bracket, 2 times 5 is 10. And then you must cube it. And of course 10 cubed is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. Okay, alright, so part C then, G minus F plus 1 over H. Well, again, don't get put off with this, just put the numbers in. G is 2, take away F. Now F, don't forget, is minus 3, so I'm going to put that in the bracket, remember, because it's a negative, I always put it in the bracket. Plus then 1 over H, so 1 over H, well H is 5, so 1 over 5. Now, of course, here you've got minus and minus next to each other. 2 minuses make a plus when they're next to each other. So it'll become 2 plus 5 plus 1/5. Okay? And then 2 plus 5 plus 1/5. Well, add the whole numbers, so 7. 7 add 1/5 then is just that. You can write it like that. Okay? So 7 plus 1/5 is 7 1/5. That's how you would write it. And that answer there is perfectly fine.